So the first thing we're going to need are these plaques, these wall plaques from the Dollar Tree. And you're going to need 2 of them. And then you will need 4 of these square edged dowels from Home Depot. I picked them up. And what we're going to do is we're going to place these dowels in each of the 4 corners, placing the corners together using our hot glue gun. And I'm going to go back over that once I've had those placed with my Gorilla Glue. You can also use E6000 or whatever industrial glue that you have. So you just hold that into place, and I'm going to do that with all 4 of my dowel rods. And this is just going to take a few seconds for you to hold that to make sure that it's secure. There you go. And I'll do that with all 4 of them, and I'll come back. Now, as you can see, we have all 4 together. Now we're going to place the top on. And it's very simple, very easy. We're just going to do the same thing. We're going to glue them right into the corners of the wall plaque. And we are all done, guys. The only thing we have to do now is spray paint it. And I'm using metallic spray paint, and this is in a rose gold. You can use whatever color you like, and I will show you the finished product. Guys, very simple, very easy, very elegant. You can do whatever you like with this centerpiece. Thank you for watching.